Okay, so this is lecture number 5. In this lecture we'll construct DFA which is accepting a substring ABA. Okay, it's a substring ABA. Now here I have written NFA, FA. See, every DFA is a NFA, so whatever may be the question, you construct a DFA, that will be the right answer. Okay, so first we need to write down a language which will accept a substring ABA. Now what exactly the substring ABA is? It means this string ABA could be present anywhere in the string. It could be start, it could be end, or it could be at the middle. That doesn't matter. The only thing, every string should contain a ABA, correct? So what is the shortest string? The shortest string is ABA. Then I can have BABA, then I can have ABAA, okay, then I can have ABAB, anything. Okay, you will have lots of strings. Write down few of them. Okay, now let's start. The shortest is ABA. So first draw the basic structure. So it is A, then I have B, then I have A. Okay, so this will be final. Let's say it is P, Q, R and S. Okay, so this is the basic structure which is accepting ABA only. Now we will convert it into a DFA which will accept all the strings with substring ABA. So see, from here I required B, from here I required A, from here I required B, from here I required A and B, correct? Now let's start from B. So I need a transition of B. So first I'll require a transition of B. So after this B, what string I should require so I can reach to the final step? See, after this B, it contains a substring ABA. So let's write down so you'll better understand. After that B, if I got a string ABA, then only I can reach to the final step. There is no other way. So after this B, if you got this string, then only you can reach to the final state. Otherwise there is no way so you can reach to the final state, right? So from where I have this ABA, I have ABA from state P, correct? ABA. So then B will go to P only. So B will be here. Now come to state Q. How you will reach to Q? By taking A, correct? So A is already there. Now what B we have? So we required a transition of A from Q. So A is already there, and after that I required A1 A again. So where this A will be, correct? That we need to find out. So after this A, what I required so I can reach to the final state. See, A is here, A is here. So after that, if I got BA, then only I can reach to the final state, right? From where I have BA, I required BA, then only I can reach to the final state. From where I have BA that reach to the final state, I have BA from Q only. Okay, that reach to the final state. So this A will go to Q only. So here is A. Now come to R. There is A, I required B. So from R, I required a transition of B. How you reach to R? By taking A and B. So A, B is already there. And after that, I required B. Correct? So where this B will be? So again, find out. After this B, what I required so I can reach to the final state. See, from this AB, I have AB here. But after AB, I required A, but I have B here. So again, after this B, if I got ABA, then only I can reach to the final state. Otherwise, there is no way to reach to the final state, right? Is it there any other way after this B? No, because it is BB. After this BB, I'll require ABA only. From where I have ABA, it is from state P. That's why the transition of B will go to the state P. Correct? Now come to S. Sorry. First I require a transition of A. So how you will reach to S? After taking A, B, A. So after taking ABA, you will reach to S. Now I require a transition of A. Now after this, what I require? I'll not require anything. Why? Because already ABA is there. So if in any string ABA is there, that should be accepted, correct? So ABA is already there. So this A should stop at final state only. And where is the final state? This one only. So A will be here. Similarly for B, if I want to give a transition of B, ABA is already there. So where will be B? B will be on final state only. Correct? So in substring, see, always keep in mind, in substring, the transition of a and b of last state will be the self. Why? Because you reach to that state after taking that string only. So the last a and b will be on the final state only. Okay, self. This is shortest technique. Okay, let it be. So this is how you will get a uh, DFA which is accepting all the strings with substring ABA, right?